Hey, what's up, you jerks? This is Soapy Fresh here in the Crypto Sewer. Today, I want to take you through the Ryo Atom Wallet. So first thing we're going to do is go to the GitHub for Ryo Currency. We're going to scroll down here. Now you want to make sure you don't go too far to the Ryo GUI Wallet here that's already archived. You can see there. We want to scroll up just a little bit and go to the Ryo Wallet. Now we're on Windows here, so we'll go to the releases page. And we're going to scroll down and go to the binary for Windows. You can choose the zip or the executable here. We're going to go with the installer, the executable. And when we run this, I bet Windows is going to flag it. So I'll show you what to do there. All you have to do is click More Info and then run anyway. This is going to launch the installer. And it's just a generic installer here. We're going to go, I agree, install, all the normal things. Now that it's finished installing, you'll see that it created a shortcut on the desktop. So now we just have to run that as administrator. So we'll right click and click Run as Administrator. Now the first time you run it, you'll have to allow access because it will start to download the blockchain. You'll also be able to have the option to connect to a remote node as well. Now, as you can see, I've already created a wallet here called Test, but I want to show you how to create a new one here. So to create a new one, obviously, you're going to click Create New Wallet. You can enter a local name for it there. And also choose a password to access it. Now it's going to warn me here that this is an insecure password because I'm just using basically garbage for this, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for this video anyway. Also, you're going to need to make sure the passwords match, as I failed to do there. And click Create Wallet. It's going to warn me again that I've chosen an insecure password, but we're going to keep going. Now, one of the features that I really like about the Atom Wallet is that it highlights one of the most important tips that you could ever receive once you get into crypto. It says, back up your seed words in a secure location. Now, take these seed words listed here, write them down. Don't save them on your computer in a notepad file or anything else. Physically write them down and save them, hide them, keep them safe. Now, up here is your wallet address. This is important, obviously, if you're going to receive any Ryo from anyone else or if you're going to be mining. You can copy to your clipboard with these little buttons on the side here. You can use that on your address, your seed words, your view key, or your spend key. Now, let's back up here for just a second. Now we have a list of all of the wallets that we have here. Clicking on the one you want, enter your password, and it will take you to the wallet screen. Here it's going to give you your address one more time, your balance, and any recent transactions that you have. If you click on Receive, it has your primary address up there, but it also has these little sub-addresses under here. This is so that you can give out addresses that go to the same wallet, but you don't have to give out the same address to everyone. Click on Send if you want to send any Ryo to anyone else. You can save addresses here in your address book, and also go to your transaction history to see any recent transactions here, anything sent or received. Now, if you click on the little 3 lines up in the upper left, also called a hamburger, you'll see a few options here. There's a solo mining option, which we're going to go over in a future video. But for now, we're just going to exit, and that'll be the end of this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this, if it was helpful at all, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Thank you for watching.